I've always loved Moroccan cuisine because of the spices and the aroma, the fragrance. It's so wonderful. And I've got a good one for you today. It's called Kefta Tagine. And it starts with a pound of ground lamb. You can use beef if you want, but if you want to be authentic, you need ground lamb. And I'll add to it some cumin. And I'm just going to reserve some because I need some a little bit later, as well as some smoked paprika, also reserving some. And then I'll mix it all together. I'll add some salt and pepper. I'm going to form 10 to 12 meatballs and put them on a plate and chill them in the fridge until I'm ready to use them. I'll heat some butter in a Dutch oven, and I will add in some diced onion and garlic, and I'll cook them until they're soft, and then add in a whole bunch of Moroccan-style spices, and that is the rest of that cumin and the smoked paprika, along with some powdered ginger, some crushed red pepper flakes, just a nice big pinch of saffron, and a bay leaf. And we'll cook it until it becomes fragrant, and then add a 28-ounce can of tomatoes and continue cooking until the tomatoes break down and the sauce thickens. Now go ahead and add the lamb meatballs to the pot and cook them covered for about 10 minutes until they're cooked through. I'll add some more flavor here with some Kalamata olives, which I'll add all around the meatballs. And then we're going to crack in 4 eggs, and then I'll cover the pot until the whites are cooked through and the yolks are nice and runny. That should take about 8 minutes. Now I'll just garnish it with some freshly chopped parsley. And it's a beautiful Moroccan dish, and you can get the recipe by writing to me here at the station or log on to the website and look for the Kitchen Guy icon. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for coming to my kitchen and watching the tastiest 2 minutes in television. See you soon.